Hello everyone. So it is my sincere effort to connect with you all, with the viewers, because I think connecting with everyone will definitely help us out to understand each other. I can make my dialogues, I can share my thoughts, I can share my experience with you all, and apart from this, I can in return I can receive your replies, I can receive your feedbacks on whatever is going around, whatever the situation is. So overall, the concept goes like I'll give you something and I'll take something out of you, and that is the thought, the knowledge, the experience part, expression part. So this is what we are going to do. So the part we have today is learning and unlearning. So the better way to understand a art is to learn it and then unlearn it. It's also a management formula where you learn something, then you erase everything what you have learned, then you start learning a new chapter, a new thing. So this is a systematic process and this is called learn unlearn. So first of all you learn something, then you erase it, then you learn again to gain more knowledge, to gain some wisdom, and to have a fair opinion on whatever you want to have, the topic wise, subject wise, anything. So apart from this, this is a very good technique. It is basically used in big institutes. It is also used in sophisticated sectors, like we have manufacturing sector, we have automobile sector, we have scientific innovation part sector, we have R&D department. Learning and unlearning are very much essential tool of reaching to the destination, reaching to the goal, getting the desired goal, the end desired goal, we can say. So it is also useful in your practical life. If you take it personally, in personal life, you can also apply the same theory, learn something and leave it, erase it, then learn new thing. For example, if you are a good chef, if you cook something good, one day you will try a dish, it has become fantastic taste, it come up with fantastic taste. Another day you need to add some more things, some new factors in it, so that you can change it creatively. You can ask someone to taste it and give their feedback on it. So the point is very common, that first of all you learn something, then you unlearn it, then learn it again. So learn it, unlearn it, these are the processes to be followed, one by one backed by another. So in management we have read so many theories about it, the Japanese theory behind it, the Chinese theory, the German theory, the American concept behind learning and unlearning. Every corporate wants their company to see grow at the top level, at the peak, at the cost of anything, in a cost of any possible thing. Maybe it is a spiritual part, maybe it's a financial part, maybe it is a general part where you could have some experiment basis, you could have some time frames and doing all the stuff all together. This is something which makes you aware about what extra you can do, how you can stretch your limits to get the desired goals. So this is how we become successful, and this is how we learn new things in a better way, how we produce our better version. The whole concept is about it. So I think you somehow understood my concept of doing all these lectures, giving all these examples. So thank you very much